Hi, I'm Victoria Torrey-Cappan, and you are joining me for Tips on the Cadillac. And today we're going to be talking about the breathing with the rollback bar. Pull the bar halfway down. I want to see a straight wrist, a straight elbow. As she presses the bar down, I want to make sure the ribs do not come forward and flare. And I want to make sure that she's able to maintain the position of her spine and release. So see, a lot of those issues that happened before kind of get eliminated when you do it together. And now slowly roll down, and you want to time the release of the bar to be with the rolling down of the pelvis. You could do this over a course of 3 lessons and do each part individually, and each lesson review what you taught the previous time and add a new element on. Because it's a lot for them to it's a lot for clients to process. Even if you have someone that's athletic, because a lot of times, just because someone's athletic doesn't mean that they have the ability for breath control, which is what we're asking for.